Today you're going to learn the reverse T-step, which is actually a basic T-step, but backwards. Hey, it's Marvik. I've been shuffling since 2014 and teaching it professionally since 2018. And the reverse T-step, it's actually easier than it seems like, and we can learn it relatively fast. So to get started, we have to do exactly what we do in a regular T-step. So we stomp with one foot, we pivot with the other, yeah? And the only thing that changes is the way we pivot. What we have to do is pivot to the left when stomping with the right. So this way we're creating this effect of going backwards, or you can also see it as a T-step that you stomp with the right and you go to the left. When it comes to practice, both things are the same. So normally we go to this direction, yeah? See, I have my weight aligned here in my left, and then when I bring my right knee up, I pivot to the left. And when stomp, pivot again, yeah? And if you see, the weight is always here. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Remember, when you place your feet, you need to have the T form or 90 degrees angle between them. Now if I'm stomping with my left, my weight placement is in the right. Then I bring my left up, I pivot to the right, and stomp, pivot to the right again, 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. Now let's do it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, 1, and 2. The other leg, and 1, and 2, 1, and 2, 1, and 2. Once you have it, you can start combining it with the basic T-step. So if the basic T-step is like this, you just need to change the pivoting direction, yeah? And you can mix it up with the reverse. Same thing would happen for the other side. So I get here, I T-step to my left here, 1, 2, 3, and change, 1, 2, 3, and change, 1, 2, 3, and change. The good thing here is that since the weight placement is in the pivoting all the time and we don't change the pivoting to one leg from the other, we also don't have to change the weight placement, yeah? So all the weight placement stays in the pivoting and we just shift directions, and this way we can go from the basic to the reversed. If combining it is a little bit difficult for you, you can isolate only the pivoting and practice the pivoting. So you should be doing one side and at some point turn to the other. This is how you would do it without weight, yeah? If you do it with weight, you can just 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Also with the other leg, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3. And now if you're down for the challenge, you can try to loop reverse these steps from one side to the other side. So to do that, you have to do exactly the weight placement shifting that we're doing in the basic T-step. So we're doing the reverse T-step. We start and 1, and 2, and 3, and when I'm about to do the 4, I do the 4, bam, and I change my weight here. Now my weight is in my right. And now I go stomping with my left and pivoting with my right. So and I go and 1, and 2, and 3, and change. Now my weight is here. This way your weight placement is always on the pivoting one and you can loop them. So when you get it, it will look like this. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you got the reverse T-step right, like the video, leave in the comments how was your learning process. If you want to speed up your T-step or your shuffling in general, you can click in this video you have here in the cards. There you will also find the playlist T-step Master, where you can learn more advanced things from the T-step. And in this channel you can find more shuffle steps you might want to learn too. So make sure you subscribe to support the channel and help me bring more tutorials to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.